No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No. No.
Here in Earth, we people think the tick of the clock is the same for everyone and everywhere. That time is absolute with a single clock of the universe. But in 1905, Einstein challenged the idea of Maxwell and Newton. He came up with an amazing theory, the theory of relativity. Time is no longer absolute. Einstein believed each object has its own time, its own clock. From the thought experiment, the twin paradox, it suggests that twins who follow two different paths through space and meet again can indicate different age. How do we explain this phenomenon? How did one of the twins age less? Did the time go slow? This phenomenon is called time dilation. It refers to special relative state that time can pass at varying rates in diverse reference frames. It occurs because of two reasons. First, the relative velocity between the two frames of reference. And second, due to difference in gravitational potential in their locations. Person A walks straight ahead, counting his steps, and is oriented that on his 20th step, he passes both of the flagpoles at the same time. Second, person B is also moving straight ahead, but not in the same direction. From his point of view, he first passes the flagpole on the red, then the flagpole on the blue. For A, passing the two flagpoles is simultaneous, but for B, it occurs at different times. The order of passage depends on the direction in which one is moving. In short, time is relative in different observers. According to the theory of relativity, all objects move at the same rate, but not in the same direction. Moreover, time dilates on moving object. The greater the velocity, the greater the time slows down. As in the field earlier, if we imagine the same event that occurs to us, it would be different perspective for someone else. This is just not an optical illusion, but really a difference in perspective. The two observers have their own definition of time and space. On the other hand, gravitational time dilation occurs whenever there's a difference in the strength of gravity. A person closer to the ground experiences slower time than the person at the highest floor of the building. Anyone who uses GPS or My Location option on Google Maps is making direct use of the fact that time dilation is real stuff. The mind-blowing idea here is that by traveling at a high speed and staying close to a surface with huge gravity, we can actually slow down time. So just like in time, in life, no matter how fast or slow you are, just keep moving. So, what do you think? Can we slow down time?